What's up, Tiger Squad? Welcome back to my channel, Keri Vlogs. I'm Keri, and this is my vlog, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get meshes on a mobile app, on mobile, so like an iPhone or an iPad. And so far as I know, this only works with iOS. I just figured this out today too, which is really awesome. So first, you're going to want to go to Safari, and you're going to want to type in Roblox.com. So after you have Roblox.com, you're going to sign in and everything if you have to. Then you're going to press request desktop website. After you do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to create. And so after you go to create, you have like your experiences and everything. It automatically just goes there for you most of the time. Other times you have to put manage my experience. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Creator Marketplace. For this piece, it's like what you want. Like, what is it? It's also over here. So I'm going to put in meshes. And all of these meshes pop up. Like different kinds and everything. Characters, Pikachu, suckers, that type of thing. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to do something simple like a desk. I can't find the textures for these, but I don't really use textures for desks or anything. So like coloring them on my own. You can use a text, like you can use a desk, whatever. I think I'm just going to make. I'm probably going to make a chair. Yeah, a chair. So, chair. Turn. Oh, done. And here are chairs. Like, wow, my thing's like super weird. But I think I'll just pick this random chair, and a bunch of them are free. A lot of them are made like a year ago. So tap on the one that you want. You can see it right there. You can see when it was made and everything. I'm going to get it just because, why not? And so now what I'm going to do is when you're going to press the search bar at the bottom, and there's a number. You're going to want to click on that to get the full number, and you're going to press copy. Then I'm going to press cancel. And now I'm going to go to Roblox. Okay, it's loading. And I'm going to test it out to see if it works. And what happened is sometimes like it'll come out really big. So I just size it all down to 0.1. So that way so that way it gets small. I can see if I want to make it a certain size. Because it just starts off really big for some reason. And so I already have the tools in my inventory. I have to find it though. Building tools. And I think I might actually do an updated version of how to build. So stay tuned to see if I actually do that. I might. Don't know. And I'm going to press normal. And I'm just going to expand it so it's easier to touch and everything. And now I'm going to go to the mesh tool. Make sure it's still selected on the square. Press add mesh. Go to file. Then for the mesh ID, you can always type in the size you want beforehand. I can try and press in 0.1. Then I can do 0.1 again. Then I can do 0.1 again. And after that, I can just paste the code and hit return. If you have two devices, that also works. But I just like using the one device. I'm just using the one device for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it 0.5. And sometimes it might not work, so I think I'll go and get a different one. Okay, I will probably try and get, I have to find I know a chair that works. I have to find it though. It won't take that long, but okay, here it is, the office chair. This office chair definitely works. I haven't used every single one on here. You kind of just have to test the waters, test it out, copy and paste, you know the routine. And now, servers, my server, and I'll try this again. Okay, and now building tools, and after that, I'm going to press normal, expand it. This time, I don't even care if it gets really big, just because I want the mesh to work. File, then I'm going to put the code in, mesh ID. Okay, and paste, return. I'm wondering where it's going. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna bring it up, and there it actually went to the same size as it was this time. I guess that it was only different when I was on my iPad. So that's probably the only difference. But there you have it. It gets a chair. It's kind of small. You can always make it bigger if you want. It's solid. It's not like that fall through mesh. Sometimes the mesh will fall through. And the little area, I can always just dim this in and it won't even shrink the size. And so now I can like stand on it without all this weirdness happening. And that's pretty much just how you make your mesh using mobile. And so that was pretty much it. And if you like this video, want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe.